Kat sini semua pakai elektronik punya apa, pakai apps untuk bayar. Aku tak ada apps tu. Assalamualaikum guys. Yes, welcome back to Bullseye Hamdan channel. Again, very sorry on and off the channel, but guess what? I'm in the mood to make a video today, and guess where we are? Actually, kita dah sampai dekat Miri, Sarawak, and I guess you guys know kenapa aku pergi Miri. And if you can guess it, you are right. It's because of drifting, and of course this year, slowly but surely heading back to the driver's seat. Hopefully dapat driving lebih banyak. And then alhamdulillah now we're here back in Sarawak Miri, driving in Borneo Star Drift series. So guys, before we move forward, makan dulu, lapar dulu. Alright guys, kita sekarang right in the middle of Miri town. And yes, kalau aku kat Miri, aku akan selalu pergi Nancy beef noodle ni. I think they have the best beef noodle here in Miri. That's right. Right guys, this is the beef noodle. Memang padu lah. Alright guys, memang sedap Nancy beef noodle. And guess who's joining me? Uncle Lee. Yes. Sarawak Laksa.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice. So we're here in Miri. Of course, bila sampai Miri, kita buat apa? Kita drift lah. Betul tak?
Yeah.
So bila kita drift, kita selalu dengan Uncle Ling. So that's why busy racing with Uncle Ling. Tapi hari ni Uncle Ling, kenapa tak main? Main lah. Nanti
No.
KL
No more competition.
No more competition. Okay, by the way, he's the oldest pro drifter in Malaysia. So he's gonna compete maybe in Semenanjung.
Yes.
Yeah, he's got his car built by Weishen and Weikang, Perfect One. So getting ready, ya, Uncle.
Yes.
He's coming soon to Semenanjung.
Let's go and try once.
Yes, must try. So guys, 65 years old, baru je birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so 65 years old, masih muda, masih boleh drift. Hopefully I 65 pun boleh drift dengan Uncle lagi. Alright Uncle, thank you for bringing me here. Jom kita makan dulu. Sekejap lagi kita pergi apa ya? What's next? Kita pergi dekat mana? What's the building? Council building of Miri. Let's check out what's happening there. Alright guys, alhamdulillah baru lepas makan tu Nancy beef noodle belakang tu. Big shout out to Uncle Ling belanja makan. Sebenarnya tak expect dia datang, tapi dia datang. Thank you for coming. And of course, thank you for the Raptor juga. Bawa Raptor guys kat sini. So family Uncle Ling ada few Ford dealer punya branch. Alamak guys, alamak, patutlah Uncle Ling macam nampak tu? Yes, aku dah kena saman. Sorry Uncle Ling. Alamak, kat sini very strict guys. Kalau lambat je bayar parking, kena tiket. I mean, shout out to Majlis for doing their job. Silap aku, my bad. Sorry Uncle, very sorry. So anyways, now we're heading to the council, Miri Council. Untuk apa? Stay tuned. Jom kita pergi Miri Council, sorry. Jom. Alright, kita dah sampai Miri Council. Ni dia, Miri City Hall. Cantik guys. Miri memang cantik. Yes, Miri City Council. Wish ada tow truck sini, cantik. So this is where we're heading. Untuk apa? Jom. Alright, so we're here at the Miri Council. That's right. What's up?
Can't recognize you, man.
Hey brother, how are you? Stanley, all the way from Cebu.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, the son of Stanley. What's your name again? What's your name again?
Delvin.
Melvin, yes. So he's a sim driver.
Yeah.
So if you've seen him on the NDS Digital, that's him driving. Nice driving, buddy. Next time win, huh? Alright, let's go. So maybe behind the wheel after this. driving your dad's car maybe? Have you tried training him?
Been training for some time.
Nice. So stay tuned, the youngest to be out there drifting.
Bayangkan.
This is the tallest. The tallest. Davide Dorigo, one of the judges for this event. Yeah. So these cars were driven from the track. Digital driver, his son.
Oh.
Delvin.
The blue skyline. Yeah, the youngest one.
Yes.
Remember?
Very nice. So soon another youngest driver. We have oldest, youngest. Morning, Jackie. Morning, Jackie, my crew. Yes, remember him KL? Yes, he's now here. What's up, Triple H?
What's up?
Yeah, man.
How's it going?
All good?
Good.
Set? Ready?
Very ready.
Well, let's go, man. Let's dance together.
Yes.
We call him Tall or Panjang. What's up, Panjang? Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Yeah, this is the main man for TP Auto Work. TP. Mana bos-bos dah sampai belum?
Kat airport
Kat airport lagi eh? On the way. Semua okay? So semalam dia tampal stiker 2 kereta dalam masa 1 hari. Siap. Lunyai tau. Dah nampak macam kertas lah. Tapi siap Yang penting siap. Kereta ada kat sini, kita ambil gambar dia. Alright, jom tengok siapa lagi ada. Team EAR. Good morning, Michael.
Handsome Mr. Slim.
Mr. Michael.
Morning.
Uncle D. Yes, Team EAR. Uncle Tony. Hi. Johnny, yes, Papa. Why are you in black? You're supposed to be in red. Man in black today. Yeah, Johnny. Who are you again? What's your name? So already all set. This car was driven on the road. Gempak guys. Semalam aku tak dapat join sebab aku pergi makan. But this car from the track to Miri Council. Pusing's car. So kita check satu-satu lah. Pusing's S15. It's a street car. I think it's going to be driven by what's his name, Ruise. And then we've got the fresh build from FLMS. I believe Mael Sean Lambong is going to drive this. Brand new, off the shelf from FLMS. Very nice 180, very nice build. And look at this. Guys, kalau korang boleh tahu kereta ni kereta mana, memang aku respect lah. Korang pun takkan sangka kereta apa ni. Korang ingat aku main Borneo Star Drift, I think it was last year. S14 warna pink hijau FRT pusing punya. Tengok apa jadi guys. It has been transformed to a beast. It's got an LS3 under the hood. Kalau korang ingat kereta Goi Fusing GT86, that engine has been swapped in here with all the TPR body kit. Amazing, super cool. See, S14, 0.5, 0.9 or whatever you call it. But look at that Kevlar stuff. Impressive. So Fusing's gonna drive this. So you know the competition that we're gonna face, right? And then this, the boss car, owner of FLMS, president of KDC, Fish Lee, is driving this beast. It's really fast. Kalau korang ingat last 2 rounds aku kena put 100% of my driving to kejar this guy. He's really fast. And another fresh build, a Z, 350Z. I think it's a 2JZ under the hood. Yeah, I can see the turbo right there. Definitely a 2J. So I think this is going to be driven by siapa nama dia? Boy from KL. And one of my favorite cars. I wish it's a 2-door. I mean, 4-door is still cool. Yes, E36, 2JZ. You guessed it right. Amirul Rajab yang akan bawa kereta ni, and he's driving it really well. And then of course we have the Pinky. That's my car right there. 180 SX Pinky. Datuk,
selamat datang.
Thank you. Amazing. Datuk SMA President, Andy, the chairman of KDC.
Belwan.
Belwan, thank you Belwan for the support.
Yeah,
Thank you very
thank
much.
you, Belwan.
Appreciate it. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
The Belwan team is there.
Yes, Belwan team. Hi, hi.
Say hi.
Hi, the KDC girls. KDC girls. So, thank you to this guy, Uncle Ling, for giving me this pinky. And thank you to Rom CP for giving me the semangat. Rom CP said it's a champion car, so I've got to prove it too. So this time, already proof, yeah? So we try to prove it again. But I know now, very hard, a lot of powerful cars. Oh, Mr. Chifan! Mr. Chifan, how are you? Saudi Cup? Saudi Cup, Aneh? Aneh, Saudi Cup, Aneh? Jivan, by the way, big shout out. Long time no see. Yeah. So let's check out that car. Chaman, right?
Chaman.
It's a Daihatsu Chaman. One of the old school car, but don't play a fool. This car is fast. 1.6?
Yeah.
1.6 engine, 4AGE turbo under the hood, and it's driven by Stanley from Cebu. Satu-satunya kereta.
15 years. Already champion all the time.
Yes, already champion.
Sarawak, the best.
That's right. One of the best drivers from Sarawak, Stanley. We met him, we met his son. So kereta ni guys, walaupun retro, walaupun lama, it's still competitive. It's a street car. See number plate. And then we have, I think this is FL Lim. Yep,
Yeah.
FL Lim. Another S14.9. You can see the rear view mirror. S14.9, very nice build. Built by Uncle Desmond, EAR team. And there you go, Michael Chong. Team EAR. Michael Chong, right?
Yeah.
I'm not sure 1J, 1.5J, but it's running 17 front, 18 rear. Powerful car, good driver. Triple H car. HHH Hanif. Not Zaso, but Hanif from Sabah. That's right. There's a Piro. RB or 2J? 1J? 1JZ. Also built by EAR, Uncle Desmond. And then of course, Uncle Desmond himself. Very fast car, very good driver, very fast driver. One of the drivers that we need to be well alert when we go against. And then all the way from KL, Semenanjung, we have the drift queen herself, Minvern. Yo yo yo. So Minvern all the way here, representing FHPPC, showing off her skill here against the big boys of the Borneo. And then another brand new fresh built car from FRT TP Autowork is Ben Aki Speed. This car baru je siap. Baru siap, I think what, before Drift Kings, and then it was shipped here from KL. So ni lah antara kereta yang baru di wrap. So panjang wrap ni dengan ni semalam. One day, 2 cars, crazy. And then of course we have our car wash guy. Ini dia car wash guy, LS, under the hood of this 180 SX. Johnny, yes papa. This car also another car to watch. Very competitive. Then we have another uncle, Tony. Uncle Tony memang sangat cantik, very beautiful car. Well prepped, driven it well. I think he's going to drive much better today. And then we have our friend Benedict Lai.
Hey, idol aku.
Broku. How are you, brother?
Good.
Nice,
Jumpa kamu terus good.
Oh, yeah.
Jumpa aku.
Cerita sikit kereta.
Kita
Ya.
biasa lah, masih sama lah.
Macam sama ah.
Sama lah bro.
2J
Sequential.
sequential Samsonas under the hood. So ini kereta laju. So soon kita tengok ini kereta pun bahaya ni. Nak kejar dia mesti laju ni.
Tidak juga lah.
Maksudnya janganlah. Jangan.
Driver masih takut mah.
Tak apa, jangan takut. Berani, okey?
Okey lah bro.
Okey, mantap. Ada apa-apa tak ada upgrade dah?
Hah?
Masih maintain sama lah.
Masih maintain sama, tak kacau apa.
Tak kacau apa eh?
Cuma apa yang rosak
Repair je lah. Okey, cun. So ni hari praktis lah eh?
Ada di practice.
Ada chance kita tandem praktis ah?
Mesti mau sama idol aku.
Yes.
Mesti mau.
Let's go.
Belajar mah.
Yes. So dia dah ready full suit. Aku pun lagi nak tukar suit. Sebab sekejap lagi kita ada press conference. Good job. Oh, hello ladies. Harap-harap mini saya tak tengok. Alright guys, jom kita tengok sana.
Ya, okey bro.
Okay.